In this video, we will look at how to use your personal account within CINAHL. The first time you open CINAHL, you will be asked to continue personalised. This creates a personal account in which you can save and organise your research. First, we will add articles from a search to a project. Select the articles you want to add using the checkboxes. Select the Add to Projects button. It looks like a folder with a plus sign. You can add the articles to an existing project or set up a new project. I will select New Project. Give the project a name. You can add a due date and a description. I will add today's date in the description. Select Create. The articles have been added to the project. Next, we will add a search. Scroll up to the search history. Find the search you want to add and click on the three dots to the right of it. Select Add to Project. I will select the project we created. The search has been added. Let's go to Projects on the left-hand side and see how it looks. Select the relevant project. The saved articles are here in Records. If we select Searches, we can see the saved search. Click on the search to run it again in CINAHL. Your saved projects will stay here so that you can use them again in CINAHL.